So welcome back. Now in this video I'm going to go in depth into routes, what a route is. Now a route, let's go to our Paint. Then let me delete this. Now again we have probably our computer here, and then we have let's put here my server. Let me make it look like maybe a real database, something like a database server. And then I can pull that, and then that. Okay, this is my server. Now, when you look at a URL, when you look at a name of a URL, probably if you want to see the name of a URL, let me get a pen. This pen. Probably maybe the website is x.com. Probably x.com. Now in x.com / there could be some words here / some words /. Now this is what we call a route, or it is an identifier or a point on the server where some specific processing is done and some specific data is sent back. So this is what we call our route. So this is our website name, but this website name can have very many routes, very many routes. It depends on how big the website can be. Big and has very many routes. Now, the route is spelled as L-O-U-T-L. Some people pronounce it as route, but me, I'll pronounce it as route. Now, when someone sends a request here to the server, maybe he would go in the browser and put in the URL which contains routes, and then he sends a request. Now, this request that he has sent, usually it's a GET request. Usually when you put a URL in a browser and click enter, you are sending a GET request. If you have a form, an HTML form, and then you click submit, it means that usually you are sending a POST request to the server. You're sending a POST request to the server. Now, so when someone types in probably it's x.com, then maybe here it is f/ maybe x. Somewhere here on the server, this route f/x will be defined. It will be defined. And it will be defined according to the request that sends this exact route. So this route could be defined twice. It could be defined as a GET request if someone is requesting a GET request at this route, or if someone is requesting a POST request at this similar route, and it will still be defined. So the computer, that's how what exactly a route is. It's just these things, these slashes we usually put in the website name. So let's make another route with the new understanding. So we can say app.get, and then maybe the route we shall put is probably, let's put f/x. That's our route. It doesn't need to make sense usually. Now we put our callback function, which will have our request, and then it will have our res, and then we start our function off. So now in our function, when that happens, we shall respond by sending. Let's say we shall send. Let's send what? Let's send f. You are on. Let's say you are on the route f/x. So that's what we shall send when someone accesses that. So first we need to stop our server. After stopping our server, we can clear, and then we can start our server again. So we start our server. After starting our server, we can come here, and then we go to the route f/x, and then you can see that it has shown us that you are on the route f/x. So that is how that's how routes usually work. In simple terms, that is how routes work. Thank you for watching.